the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, and to present the candidate for St.Mary, Mark Jefferson Rowland.
Yeah. Comrade Chairman Mario Mitchell. Comrade Chairman of the party, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke. Comrade MP, my brother and friend, Dr. Maurice Guy, Central St. Mary, Stalwart. All of the councillors, all of the MP candidates, councillor candidates on the platform. Most of all of the workers and warriors of the People's National Party here in St. Mary, who are here tonight to have braved the rain. PNP River come down bank to bank in St. Mary. St. Mary strong. I feel the spirit of the great Caramanti warrior Taki, who led the first major revolt in this parish and nearly took over Jamaica centuries ago. And one day, Taki will have his rightful recognition in Jamaica under a PNP government. Comrades, this parish of St. Mary has a strong and proud tradition for the People's National Party. And we want to see, and we know that we will see, those days return. When I see on a Sunday evening, so many comrades brave the rain and are still here to listen to their leaders talk, I know that time come for St. Mary to return to the People's National Party. And comrades, I say to you tonight, this is a time to put all the petty differences behind us. We've had contests to select candidates. We have gone through that process and it's over. We are one united party here in St. Mary. We have selected who we have selected, and now it is up to us to do the work and come together to deliver the victory. Can I rely on you to deliver the victory here in St. Mary? And it is not just St. Mary. There is a wave, there is a tide, there is a river sweeping over Jamaica. And it is a tide that says, we are tired of the Jamaica Labour Party government. We are tired of the corruption. We are tired of the sufferation. We are tired of the crime and violence. We are tired of the false promises. We want hope. We want a bright future. We want an inclusive society where everybody is respected and treated as worthy citizens of the country. And they know that there is only one hope for that, and that is the People's National Party. It's not a good look for Jamaica when we have a prime minister for years in succession can't have his statutory declaration certified by the Integrity Commission. It's not a good look. The Labour Party manifesto in 2016 said they were going to introduce term limits. Well, I say to the Prime Minister, live your word. The situation not looking so good. Term limit sounds like a good idea in your case. Step aside and give somebody else a chance. The people want a government of integrity. The people want a government for the people. The people want a government that can bring hope to this country. And the People's National Party are here to deliver for the people. Comrades, I must tell you, we have a challenge in this country with our education system. We have too many children leaving primary school who can't read and write. They can't manage secondary education. And when they finish their schooling, there's nothing there for them. And they go the wrong path into badness and scabbing and all kind of things that we don't want from them. We have a health system where when you're sick and you go to a public hospital, you might have had a stroke, you might have pneumonia, you might have some other critical illness. You can't get no bed. You have to sit down in a wheelchair on a bench for 24 hours, for 48 hours, and suffer. There's no dignity for the people under the Jamaica Labour Party government. We have a government. We have a government after 2 years of wicked inflation coming out of COVID. What them do? Then raise up the taxi and bus fare on the people. Now we know that the transport operators need an increase. But a government looking at a situation like this would have to find a way to cushion that crisis from the people. Right now, in rural Jamaica, too much school youth are suffer and their parents are suffer because they can't afford to send them children to school. Why do they not remove the hedge fund tax and use that to subsidize rural public transportation? Why don't they cap the SCT tax on fuel and use the surplus to protect the consumer, the commuter, the person using public transport? This government is not thinking creatively in the interest of the people. They are too willing to unleash sufferation on the people, and that is why the people want to see change. The People's National Party has a proud record. Andrew, when they stop telling lies to the people about the People's National Party. Stop it! You talk about the 18 years between Michael and PJ. When we left office in 2007, poverty was single digit. Unemployment was single digit. The international reserves were high. Inflation was trending down. Growth was, for the last 3 years leading into 2007, was the strongest that it's been in 30 years. We built the Chase Fund. We built the Highway 2000 project. We set up Sangster Airport into proper condition. The ports and seaports. We brought cellular phone to Jamaica and broke the monopoly of cable and wireless. We brought vehicles into the country so that people could have a car and a phone. So stop telling lies about the People's National Party don't run the country right. The people of Jamaica know that the People's National Party is a party that delivers a strong economy for the people. We are the party that gave the country the National Housing Trust for workers of this country to get housing. We set up the Chase Fund to support sports and culture and the arts. We set up the National Health Fund to provide subsidies so people can afford their medication. These are all PNP things. What have the Labour Party done? What have they done with the Junction Road? Rip off the public purse and don't give us the good road. And right now, the reason why Jamaica has a solid macroeconomic situation going on since 2013 is because the People's National Party under Portia Simpson Miller with Dr. Peter Phillips as Minister of Finance and with Ayman as Minister of Justice and dealing with the legislation, set up the thing and set it right for the future of the country to bring down the national debt and give this country a chance to go forward to a prosperous way of life. We did that. So people, nobody listen to the Sam Fighter